Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today, in this video, we'll explain how to make Snipping Tool automatically save screenshots, so you don't have to manually save every capture again and again. Step 1. Open the Snipping Tool app by clicking the Start menu and searching for Snipping Tool, or by finding it in the list of installed apps. Step 2. Click on the Options or Settings button, which looks like a gear icon in the top right corner of the Snipping Tool window. This menu contains settings that control how the Snipping Tool behaves. Step 3. In the Options menu, find the setting labeled Always Copy Snips to the clipboard. Turning this option on helps manage how screenshots are handled after you take them. Step 4. Enable this option according to your preference, then close the Snipping Tool. Your settings will be saved automatically, and future screenshots will follow the updated behavior. Step 5. Take a new screenshot using the Snipping Tool to confirm the change. You'll notice the tool now handles your screenshots automatically without extra steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more simple and helpful Windows tutorials.